No, dirita, maminaw ta, matay ning istorya ni... Ako, magigtingog, murag ka bitaw na ikabit-kabit ba nga. Awa mamutingog po si, si Senator Rafi, no?
Wala.
Oh.
Moral support ra siya.
Moral ra siya. Bebe, naliyahay naman ang panglakaw kung sila. Awa pa ni manglakaw. Arita. Atong tanaw ning unsay gikasukag maayong Senador Erwin Tulfo mga higala.
Tira, Brigada! I see the point of Senator Risa, but I'm also listening to Senator Marcoleta. It's kumbaga sa libro, iba yung love language, but I don't think there meant to be any offense. Having said that, we're only discussing whether we will take up the amendment or not. And we have exhausted already all the arguments. This is a simple motion, so I move that we divide the House. May I reiterate my motion. Then we can go into the merits and they can try to convince us whether or not we agree. So the motion is to take up the amendment to our rules as proposed by Senator Marcoleta. The objection is that it is not in order because we did not follow our own rules.
Madam Chair, Madam President.
Before that,
Madam President.
yes, we recognize Senator Erwin Tulfo.
Madam President, my question is, why is the majority in such a hurry to tackle this motion? This allowing a senator for justifiable reasons to attend and participate in the session through teleconference, whereas in Rule 14, Section 41, under B, it is convenient hold the session through teleconference, video conference, or other reliable forms of remote or electronic means using appropriate information and communications technology system due to force majeure, Madam President, or the occurrence of a national emergency. Madam President, this justifiable reason, what is that? Does that fall under force majeure? Does it fall under national emergency, Madam President? My question is, why are we in so hurry? Why are they, the majority, in a hurry to tackle this motion and divide the House, Madam President? We need answers in the minority.
Madam Chair.
Or is it because, Madam Chair, they're in a hurry because of news reports that probably two of our colleagues might land in jail this weekend? Is that the reason why? Is that the reason why they have to have this inserted in Section 41C para makaboto po kung sino man yung makukulong dahil sa announcement ng ombudsman na may lalabas sa po ang warrant ng ilan sa mga kasama natin.
Nagsabot ka ni. Klaro dahil ni Senador Erwin.
The gentleman is out of order because his question, sa mamadali, bakit, can be discussed in the actual motion. Can be discussed after the motion whether we should take it up. We take offense that bibigyan niya ng ganyang kulay. It's just like us saying, are you afraid if we have the hearing on the Blue Ribbon on flood control and you do not make that kind of statements here in the Senate because you assume good faith from everyone. That rule hindi minadali. May 11 pa ho yun. So, Madam Chair, I move that we divide the House.
And the voting will be done via
Madam President.
Minority Leader.
Nagbiyahe naglayas.
Move to adjourn or quorum call.
Quorum call, duwa naman, ang layas man. Kung ano lang usa na bilin. Ito sutol na bilin diha, minority.
At is a higher precedence, Madam President.
So I only see the Minority Leader representing the minority. The others had left.
Madam Chair, we will not object, but for the record, they scampered out and left the minority leader instead of discussing the rule. We are not even discussing the rule yet. And then, ganun na yung allegation nila. And no one from the minority stood up to say that out of order si Senator Erwin Tulfo. So we will not object, Madam Chair. In fact, we move that we adjourn till 5 p.m.
Madam President,
Monday.
before that,
Madam President, motion to adjourn is not debatable. Akala ko ba magaling sa rules?
We're not debating. We're not debating minority.
I'm not debating, and we will indeed adjourn.
Parliamentary inquiry.
Yes, Senator Marcoleta.
Nung pong nagsimula tayo, Madam, meron po ba tayong quorum?
We had a quorum, yes.
Yes, Madam President. Kapag ka po ba nag-walk out ang minority, nawawala po yung quorum. Nagsimula po tayong may quorum. It doesn't matter if they walk out.
Yes,
I think we still have the quorum.
Madam President, once there is a quorum call, you have to call the roll. Kahit na present lahat o kulang kanina o there was a motion to dispense, whatever that is.
Not upon a situation, Madam President.
Sabotahe ni. Klaro kayo ni mong sabotahe, di ba?
Hindi po yung covered ng rule natin, Madam President.
Madam President,
As reiterated by the Senate President and as conveyed by the Minority Leader, former Senate President, the rule states that the motion to adjourn takes precedence. I'm not taking sides.
5 p.m. Monday.
And we will adjourn session.
Okay. Sige, gawin mo kay kasaba. Sige, ibalik na harita kay palag kay Senador Erwin Tulfo. Kaya nga kuno taga-agpabor. Senador Kiko, kaya mo manilang gipalagan Brigada Arnel. No? Kasi, kaya ba, yung tanganong ipalag natin. No, nga di mo sugot aning video conferencing kay kibaw sila.
Patungahon yun si Bator.
Mga mutong kuang yun, kinahanglan yung patunghaon nila diha. Kibaw naman sila daghan ko nung mga malutsag warrant ng mga senador, Brigada Arnel. Balikan ta ni Bek, kaya marag naglami naman yung Senado.